Crafting a compelling curriculum vitae, or CV, is an art. It is not just about listing your job responsibilities, but showcasing your unique value. Let's explore some key strategies. When writing your CV, emphasize achievements rather than just responsibilities. Highlight specific accomplishments that demonstrate your impact. For example, instead of saying managed a team, detail how you led a team of 10 to increase sales by 20% in 6 months. This approach provides concrete evidence of your capabilities and sets you apart from others. Simplicity is key. Avoid jargon and complex language that may confuse the reader. Instead, use clear and concise language to communicate your experiences and skills. A well-structured CV with straightforward language ensures that your qualifications are easily understood. Remember, clarity enhances readability, making it easier for potential employers to recognize your strengths. Transferable skills are crucial, especially if you are changing industries. Skills such as leadership, communication, and problem-solving are valuable across various fields. Highlight these skills and provide examples of how you have applied them in different contexts. This demonstrates your adaptability and potential to contribute in new environments, making you a versatile candidate.